This is Carol Plotkin for Culinary Nutrition Course, Recipe Group 5. And I want to show you while I make my chicken, the braised chicken with onions and tomatoes. So right now the chicken, they've been seasoned with salt and pepper, and I have boneless thighs. That's what I had in my freezer, so this is what I'm using. They were skinless, so I'm going to watch them a little bit more closely. They don't need to cook as long as boned thighs with skin on them. So I have them on their first side and they are browning. Now that the chicken's out, we are adding onions to the juices that just in the fat that the chicken left in the pan. So the onions have been cooking for about 5 minutes, and now we're ready to add sliced garlic and a bay leaf and a sprig of rosemary, and these will cook for 2 minutes. The aroma that is coming off of the herbs and the onions and the garlic as it cooks is just amazing. So they've been cooking for about 2 minutes, and now it is time to add the tomatoes. So again, these are fresh tomatoes, like on my other recipe, and these are blanched, peeled, the seeds removed. And since I don't like giant pieces of tomatoes, I kind of smashed them a little bit with a potato masher just to break them down a little bit, and they'll break down more as they cook. So these are going to simmer for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. So the tomatoes have been cooking for about 5 minutes, and now it is time to return the chicken. So I'll put the chicken back in here. Filming this with one hand. All right, and now we have to put the juices also from the chicken in there. Pour those in there. And chicken broth over it. And I'm going to just kind of get these chicken pieces in the liquid so that they can tenderize as they continue to cook, and then I'm going to give them a cover. So they need to cook for about 45 minutes, and this is the time in my planning where I said that I would have time to clean, but I have been cleaning as I go, so I'm just going to show you. I've got my mise en place set out over here for the other ingredients, which I'll be making toward the end of the chicken cooking time. But look at this, empty, and my sink is empty. I'm quite proud of myself. See you in a bit. And the final version plated. Voila. Bon appetit.